360 electricians, apprentices, helpers. How are you going to survive? How are you going to make more money in 2022? Recession's coming. Have you heard? Gas is $6 to $8 around the country. You really think as a newbie, as a helper, as someone getting into the trade, you're really going to survive when things go downhill from here? I'm a boss. I own a company. I have hired and fired hundreds of people in my 16 years. The first people that go, the ones that are going to be the least value to the company. I hate to say it, but I'm the guy that talks real to you. Nobody is telling you this stuff on YouTube except the 360 electrician. Hey, will you take a second and subscribe if you get something out of this channel? Look, I did a live session a couple of weeks ago that I think you guys missed, that I have to put it on the channel again. Let's go and take a look. Apprentices and helpers, what are you going to do to level up right now and to make sure you have job security as the world around us collapses? Apprentice and helpers, I'm giving you guys 3 tips that I want you to follow, think about. Brian, you got to think about it because you're just getting into the game. You want to learn some of these things. I mean, I'm going to tell you anyway, because this won't even come out till Thursday. But one of the first things is, of course, you got to be your code guru. You want to do things that most journeymen and masters aren't going to be doing great. Look, we know the code and everything like that, but specialize in an area of the code or just know the code really well. That way you're going to level up a lot faster. That journeyman or master is going to let you do things a lot faster. They're going to want you instead of the other guy a lot more, which is going to tell your boss, hey, dude, Brian knows the code better than all the other helpers. I want that guy. Another thing is software. We talked about service software. You guys saw the video I did on service software. Hopefully I'm going to be partnering up and bringing you guys awesome deals on service software. So learn those service softwares. You can sign up for free. Just get in there or go to YouTube on those top service. Look, you got Service Fusion. You've got House Call Pro. You've got Jobber. You've got Field Plus. There's a new one today that a gentleman reached out. I think it was like Works or something. Go in there and type in with your junk email. Why I say your junk email, you don't want to get hounded, but if you have a junk email account, sign up for the tutorials or go to YouTube and find out about those softwares. When you go into a company, or Brian, let's just say you're working for a company now and you're the lowest guy in the totem pole, and you know that they're using Service Fusion. Go and do the tutorials on Service Fusion and then say, hey, boss, you know what? I know Service Fusion pretty good. If the secretary's not in or you have a problem or you want me to start doing scheduling, I'll do that for you. Imagine, man, job security just came up to here, right? And then last but not least is learn something that nobody else in your business is doing. For example, if you came to me right now and said, hey, Jeff, I am an electrical helper, but by the way, I know how to do low voltage Cat 5, Cat 6 wiring. Dude, I'm going to be hiring you on the spot because that's such it's a need. And a lot of us guys that have been in this trade for a long time are not going to take the time to learn low voltage. So anyway, if you're an apprentice or helper and you're watching this like you, Brian, look, watch that video coming up this Thursday, but also take those tips to heart. Hey, listen, I hope you really got something out of that video. There's truth in there. I am an employer and I've been an employee years and years in several businesses. I run $1 million electrical contracting company. Nobody's going to tell you the truth. Nobody's going to bring it to you on YouTube like I do. For doing that, could you do me a favor? Again, just subscribe. Make sure you go to the website, www.the360electrician.com. You want to join the mailing list. You want to take some courses if you're an electrical contractor. You want to do coaching no matter what. If you're a helper, a journeyman, or been in this business forever and you just need help, I'm the guy for you. All right? Love you guys. We'll see you on the next one.